So hi everyone, I'm Julia. So 100 of you just joined us in my channel. So I want to thank you all of you for support. Let me introduce to you about me because some of you may not know who am I. So I was in the network marketing business for like 16 years, right? And during 2023, right, for 8 months the company closed. And that's why I thank God that I started doing TikTok since the 2022 October. Okay, so lesson learned, never trust only one income. Okay guys, so I just want to tell you that I just launched my podcast on YouTube, right? Because my YouTube is already monetized, so I thought of like really be real with you guys, telling you my story and how I overcome my battles. All right, so probably some of you may be also like that. So this podcast is called Her Second Life, and this is not just a catchy name, it's my real story. So let me tell you about Korean late bloomer story. I don't know whether you guys have heard it. Let me show you. So ladies, just want to let you know, okay, 48 years old and above, right? They call the ladies the late blooming flower, carries the deepest fragrance. To tell you the truth, I've been reading faces, right, for more than 16 years of my life, and it's always very accurate. So the Korean way of face reading is called kwansang. Okay, it's not just about appearances. Okay, it's the ancient Korean art of reading one's inner energy, destiny and character from the face. So in my case, right, I'm a AI visibility coach as well, so it can be very powerfully integrated, right, for your work, okay, and personal understanding. We help you to understand your authentic self, your strength, not just what you present to your world. Okay, and also we can also help you to do like a career alignment and success. We can guide you to your career path, right, that match your face energy. Okay, especially powerful for entrepreneurs, creators, coaches, and we can also know, like, launch your products, when to rest, you know, and your visibility seasons basically. So now you know what I learned. I also do for couple reading. Okay, as someone like me in AI visibility and TikTok coaching plus face reading becomes my unique selling point, so I can advise others, right? I mean, I have been doing like style coaching for more than 16 years, so I actually teach people how to style themselves, right, to match their best features. I also position my clients, right, for maximum magnetic impact. After divorce, what I do, I force myself to work. Literally, I was crying inside while working, doing makeup class for my clients, right, for my students. And sometimes at night I'll be so lonely, you know, I'll be in my office and sleeping, you know, and my colleagues back then, she is very nice to me. She is staying with me sometimes. I've seen like in the office together, and then we talk, chit chat. She tries to bring me out of my loneliness, brings me out of my my divorce thoughts, right? Because back then I was contemplating whether to divorce or not. So I got a confirmation from my pastor when I was in the church back then. Okay, and both of us are in the church back then. And pastor was saying, like, you know, some of you may have to let go of a long-term relationship, and then that's where we decided to get divorced and proceed from there. Yeah, so it was really to me, right, marriage, right, is not just like two people coming together. It's literally legally coming together and sharing assets together. Okay, so to me, that's why for you guys single ladies, right, don't rush into getting married. Okay, get to know the person thoroughly. Okay, when I know him, right, and we got married, right, he was in credit card debts, right, for about 50,000, and I don't even know. Okay, I'm not blaming him. Sometimes circumstances just happen, right? But we worked towards it, and God cleared his debts. Okay, but there's a lot of things that I realize we are not compatible in terms of character. So that's why if you are single, right, and if you are divorced, right, and you are dating someone, right, open your eyes. Really open your eyes, okay, and see whether this person is willing to protect you and really cherish you like a prize. You know what I mean? Because we ladies are the prize, okay? That's why I decided to literally, like, after my divorce, I literally worked very hard because I was so broke, and trying to find a space, you know, and in the end I found a space already, you know, and then I moved in, right, and then I started to find more business, for my network marketing business, right? To me, I focus on these few things. I read the Bible. I literally have a Bible, you know, guys. If you see sometimes right behind my table, I have a Bible, okay, and you see I have a lot of notes. Okay, so I literally write the statements that resonates with me, right? And then I literally write notes on it. So I realized Pastor Prince also like that. When he do his Bible, he actually write notes. I'm like, okay, we are similar. And I find that I always go to church as well every Sunday. I find that God's word give me peace, you know. And for some of you, maybe you don't have a religion, right? Then just focus on meditation and take a walk. So I walk a lot during my period of after divorce. You know, divorce is quite painful. It's like literally like you felt like someone has died, but every one of us are still alive. You know what I mean? But it's very painful, okay? And let yourself heal, right? Let yourself cry as much as you want, you know. Don't neglect your health and don't neglect the things that you love to do. I focus on eating well, cooking. You know, in the past I don't cook at all. But, you know, I find that ever since I have my own space, right, I learned how to cook. I learned how to travel alone. You know, I find that during my marriage time, I'm always broke, you know, got no money to travel. But now I have money to travel, right? And I am much more creative. You know, I come up with a lot of things. And I'm surprised that I'm now a content creator on TikTok. And I just got verified on the TikTok Creators Marketplace. And there are brands who are really like looking at what am I doing. So I got a lot of emails from there. I realized that when you start to focus on your own thing, like, you know, as a woman, right, even if you are still single, right, don't worry about it, right? When it's your time, God will present him to you, okay? Because you are the prize, not him. You must remember that. And I do journaling as well. And that's where I started to do face reading, because I can see literally my customers' face and why they are sad, right? And I guide them from there. I literally save a lot of marriage as well. I have this friend, right? Actually, she is my customer, but turned friend. She and her husband is actually a gamer, you know, gamer for so long and never work. And she is the only person that she's working for, like, don't know how many years already when I knew her. I think 10 years already. When I knew her, we were friends for 10 years already. So she told me that her husband is not working at all, and she's the only person, the breadwinner for 3 kids and him. Okay, so I told her what to do, right? Sometimes, right, we cannot, for men, right, they are very, very ego. Okay, you cannot talk down to him. You can only encourage him. Okay, women, you are the neck that turn the heads. Men is the head, right? Woman is the neck. All right, so you have the ability to change everything, the dynamics of your family life. All right, but of course with his permission, because he is, after all, the head of the family. So that's why I really literally help a lot of women to save their marriage. Like even my friend in US, you know, I literally taught her how to calm down her husband. All right, so that's why I think, you know, for me, that's why face reading has helped me so much, right? Face reading is my gift. And then when I studied face reading in Korea, right, I was like surprised that everything that I already know innately, right, is what's written there. Then I decided to learn how to do Korean makeup, because it actually helps to enhance your love life, enhance your fortune, right? I'm not saying I'm a fortune teller, I'm not, but it's just that I choose the right colors for you to enhance, okay? If you don't, I don't know whether you believe or not, like for me, right, I'm into red, right, there's a reason for it, and I'm into colors, there's a reason for it, and I'm into like, also when I decided to do my plastic surgery, right, it's because I want a renew of life. I refuse to bow down to aging. I refuse to accept who I am before, and that's why I decided to go to do my sub-brow lift. So to prove to myself, right, that I have the ability to overcome all life's obstacles, right, and to start a new life for myself. Yeah. So if you're interested to know about how to enhance your life, your love life, or if you're dating someone, you know, you're not so sure, you can let me know, book me for a mini face reading, right? And we can talk about it. All right, guys, so that I hope that you love this video, you love this podcast. Follow my YouTube channel on my podcast. I'm going to give you all the things that I do to overcome all these obstacles, and I hope that I could help you as well. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you also in my next video. Bye.